In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Go High Level as fast as possible. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you become proficient with Go High Level quickly and effectively. To begin, it's important to familiarize yourself with the core foundation of Go High Level. Spend the first couple of days exploring each main module for about 10 to 15 minutes. Navigate through the dashboard to understand your metrics. Take a peek into conversations to manage your messages efficiently. Check out contacts to get a handle on the CRM features, and explore opportunities to understand your sales pipeline. Dive into automations for managing follow-ups, and look at sites to see how pages and funnels function. Remember, jot down which features are most relevant to your business needs, like funnels and automations if you're selling coaching services. A quick tip here is to focus only on what you'll use immediately rather than trying to master everything at once. Next, by day 3, you should aim to build a simple funnel. The goal is to launch something usable right away. Head over to Sites, select Funnels, and then click on New Funnel. You'll want to add an opt-in page to collect names and emails and a thank you page. Make sure to connect your form to contacts. You'll also want to create a workflow that sends a welcome email right after someone signs up, followed by a follow-up email the next day. Test it out using your own email to ensure everything runs smoothly. This approach will yield quick results, giving you your first lead in Go High Level. On days 4 and 5, it's time to set up automations. Your aim here is to let the system do more of the heavy lifting for you. Go to Automations, select Workflows, and create a new workflow. You'll want to add triggers such as form submitted to add a new lead tag, appointment booked to send a confirmation SMS, and payment received to send a thank you email. Incorporate time delays between messages and make sure notifications are turned on so you're alerted whenever leads take action. The key mindset here is to think, if this happens, do that. By day 6, creating your CRM system is crucial for keeping every lead and client organized. Navigate to opportunities, select pipelines, and opt to create new. Add stages like new lead, booked call, follow-up, and closed, either won or lost. In your workflow, remember to add move to next stage actions. Make it a habit to check your pipeline daily using drag and drop to update lead progress. A handy tip here is to utilize the notes feature for each contact to track discussions. As you move into week 2, your focus should shift to mastering conversations and integrations. The goal is to centralize your communication and connect your essential tools. Start by connecting your email using SMTP and your phone using Twilio. Integrate your Google Business and Facebook page accounts for unified messages. Use the Conversations feature within Go High Level to reply to SMS, chat, and email all in one place. Installing the Go High Level mobile app can help you manage everything on the go. Make it a point to regularly check conversations like you would your direct messages, ensuring you never miss a lead. Moving forward, endeavor to create one automation per funnel. Automating each client journey is essential for scaling efficiently. For instance, a lead funnel might go from form to welcome email, then offer call to follow up. A client funnel could progress from payment to onboarding email and then a feedback request. And a masterclass funnel might move from registration to reminder, then replay to upsell. Keep your workflows under 10 steps until you feel confident in expanding them. Launching your membership or course should be your next milestone by weeks 3 to 4. Go to Sites, select Memberships, and create a product. Add lessons using video, text, or PDFs according to your needs. Ensure you connect Stripe for payments or utilize a workflow to grant access after payment completion. Also, customize your course portal branding to give it a professional touch. Memberships can be a fantastic way to offer bonuses, courses, or client onboarding. Understanding reporting and optimization is an ongoing process that you should integrate into your routine. Your goal here is to make data-driven decisions. Head to the dashboard and take a look at reports. Pay attention to conversion rates for each funnel, email open and click rates, and revenue sources. Adjust your copy, pages, or automations based on these insights to boost performance incrementally. Reviewing metrics weekly can significantly enhance your operational efficiency. To round off your mastery, start incorporating shortcuts and templates into your workflow. The idea is to work smarter, not harder. Use snapshot templates for pre-built setups tailored to various industries like coaching or real estate. Save your best performing funnels as templates for future use. Become active in Go High Level Facebook communities, as they often share ready to import automations, import proven setups, edit them, and launch faster to maximize your time and efforts. Lastly, make it a point to practice daily for about 15 to 30 minutes. Doing so will build muscle memory, making you more adept over time. Spend this time trying out one new feature, creating mock funnels, or experimenting with automations. Even if you break things, this hands-on approach leads to learning faster. Within a few weeks, you'll find yourself navigating Go High Level like a seasoned pro.